Hey guys, it's me, Isabella. I'm showing you all of my stuffed animals like I said on the other show. So let's get started. My first one is, hold on, Dottie, the one I saw on my top 11 favorites. Olaf from Frozen. Eggie, I call her Eggie because she doesn't have a name. This is like my favorite one because on the side it says "Kiss Me." Got it from my dad at Valentine's. It's a little pony. I like to sleep with it. Well, this one's like my most favoritist one because it's from my brother. He gives me tons of his stuffed animals. It's a bat he won for me because I didn't get nothing. An owl, his name's Sammy, I got from my brother. This one I bought with my money from my birthday card. Her name's Ellie. Ellie. I got from a long time ago. This one I got with my dad's money. This one, it's important because I got from my grandma, my mama. And this one's important because I got it. Well, it's not really important because I got it from a machine. This one, I got it for my birthday from my mama's mom, and it's important to me. I got this one from my mama's mom. This one I won by my brother was helping me, so it's actually important to me. Sammy. His snowball my brother gave to me. Don't look at me. Okay, here's this one. It's important. It says "I love you" I got that from my dad and my mom, Gidget. There's some down there. Okay, here's Donut Wish. It's like my favorite. It's Shopkin. This one I got with my dad's money. We had this fundraiser, and I got it. Here's Daisy. It's important to me because I got it from my mama. Here's this little baby one. She's a turtle. And her name is... She doesn't have a name. Oh, Daisy. I already showed you. This one's important. And I used to have a heart, but I don't know where it went. Here's a bunny I got from... I don't remember. This one's important to me. My dad gave me it because I wanted it. Here's Hello Kitty. I got, because I didn't win nothing because it was all out of prizes and we didn't have enough tickets, so he gave it to me. Oh, here's this one that says "Kiss Me" at the bottom. I got tons of those that say it. Like a little gorilla my brother gave me. Kitty. I saw that one. Rosie, it's important to me because I got it from my birthday. My mom and dad gave it to me. This one's important to me because I get to make it by myself, and my dad bought it for me. Those are two Build-A-Bears. Glamour. Safari. Yes, I got it. Her name's Safari. Rosie. Here's this one. I don't go for this team, but my brother won it for me. Here's Buddy. My brother gave to me. Okay, I like to collect these little tigers from TY for some reason. Penny, she's the cutest one. I don't know. Penny. That's what says it right there. This one. Oh, this pony's one. It's I think it's an emoji pillow. This one. Pull your dress down. Okay. Here's her. I didn't get to pull it down. This one, it's supposed to be a blanket. I got it from my mom. It's kind of broken already. Okay. Here's this one. It's one of those ones you can wash. This pony one, it's supposed to be in a bag. Here's Clifford. Clifford. It's right there. Clifford. Here's a little pink bunny I got from my grandma, my mom's mom. Here's this one. And this little ducky. Well, I hope you liked my video, and I hope you counted how much stuffed animals I have, because I don't even know how much stuffed animals I sleep with. I know. Yep. And please watch my jewel area. I like to watch like makeup and everything. And yeah. Bye. Hope you like this video and subscribe down below. Bye.